Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 1988 to 1995 pickup and Hilux. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove any lines, wiring harnesses, or body components from the work area, followed by removing your vehicle's core support mount bolt, bushing, and attached bracket, and set them aside. Step 3. Begin cutting away the mount while taking care to not damage the vehicle's body. Followed by grinding the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Coat the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Referencing the mount on the opposite side of the frame, or the factory's mount residual outline, hold the new mount up to the frame and C-clamp it into place. Alternatively, you can temporarily reinstall your bushing and bolt for proper alignment. Step 4. Tack weld the mount and verify its alignment. If you installed the bolt and bushing, uninstall them at this time. Following proper welding procedures, fully weld the part into place. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your bolt and bushing, and you're done.